Have you ever had a picture in mind? Maybe of a golden retriever wearing a party hat, but just couldn't find one anywhere on the internet. Or maybe you took a beautiful photo, but wished you could magically remove a person in the background. What if I told you that there are new tools that can help you with all of these things? Welcome back to Figuring Out AI, where we stay up to date with AI even if we feel like we are too old. And remember, if I can figure it out, so can you. My name is Petro, and in today's video, we will be looking at AI inside of Canva. We are going to walk through a few simple steps to use these new tools. We'll start with the most popular and easiest ones to use, which are all part of Canva's Magic Studio. Step 1. Making words into pictures with Magic Media. Have you ever had a picture in your mind, but you couldn't find it anywhere? Well, now you can tell Canva what you're thinking about, and it will create the picture for you. So first, open up Canva on your computer. You'll want to be on the home screen. Look on the left side of the screen. Do you see a purple button that says Create a Design? Well, go ahead and click on that. A little box will pop up. You can type social media or Instagram post into the search bar at the top. And then click on one of the options. This just gives you a blank page to work on. Now look on the left side of your screen again. Do you see all the little icons? We're looking for one that looks like a camera lens with a little sun inside of it. It might say text to image or Magic Media. Click on that. A box will appear. This is where the magic happens. In this box, you can type in whatever picture you want to create. Try something simple to start, like a golden retriever wearing a party hat. Once you've typed it, click the purple Generate button. Now, just wait a few moments. Canva will show you a few different pictures it created based on your words. You can click on the one you like, and it will appear on your blank page. Isn't that amazing? This also works for creating videos and graphics, so you can even try prompts like a short video of a sunset over the ocean. Or an illustration of a coffee cup with steam. Step 2. Changing your photos with Magic Edit. Sometimes you have a photo that's almost perfect, but there's one little thing that you want to change. Maybe you want to add a flower to a vase or change the color of a shirt. Now, Canva's Magic Edit can help with that. First, let's add a photo to your page. Go to the left side of the screen and click on Elements. You can search for a photo like a vase with flowers. And then click on one to add it. Now click on the photo you just added. A menu will appear at the top of the screen. Look for the button that says Edit Photo. Click on it. A new menu will appear on the left. Look for Magic Edit and click on that. Your mouse cursor will now look like a paintbrush. You can use it to paint over the area of the photo you want to change. Once you've painted, a box will pop up. It will ask you to describe what you want to add or change. For example, if you painted over a flower, you could type change to a red rose. Click Generate. Canva will then show you a few options. You can click on the one you like and it will appear in your photo. It's like a digital magic trick. Step 3. Removing things with magic eraser. Have you ever taken a beautiful photo, but there's a person or an object in the background that you just wish wasn't there? Now, Canva's magic eraser can make it disappear. Let's start with a new photo. You can add one from your computer or find one in Canva's photo library. Let's try searching for a park bench with people in Elements. Click on the photo to select it and then click on Edit Photo on the top. On the left-hand side, find and click Magic Eraser. Just like with the Magic Edit, your cursor will look like a paintbrush. Now simply paint over the object or person you want to remove. Once you let go of your mouse, Canva will work its magic and make the object disappear. You may need to do this a few times if the object is very large. Step 4. Writing with Magic Write. Do you ever feel stuck when you have to write something for a design, like a caption for a social media post or a description for a project? Magic Write is like having a helpful writing assistant. First, add a text box to your design. You can do this by clicking Text on the left-hand side. Click on the text box and a little Magic Write button will appear. Click on it. A box will pop up. Here you can tell Canva what you want to write. For example, you could type, write a short and sweet poem about sunshine. Once you've typed your request, Canva will generate some text for you. You can then copy and paste it into your design. You can also ask it to rewrite what you have to make it longer, shorter, or sound more friendly. Step 5. Animating with Magic Animate. Do you want to make your designs more lively? Well, Magic Animate can add a little bit of movement and sparkle to your project without any complicated steps. Create a simple design with a few elements, like a title and a picture. Click on the title or a picture to select it. Look at the top right of your screen for the Animate button. Click on it. A list of different animation styles will appear on the left. You can click on each one to see a preview of how your design will move. Once you find one you like, just click on it and it's applied. Now the final step, saving and downloading your magic design. Now that you've used all of your helpful AI assistant, you'll want to save your beautiful creation. Look at the very top right corner of your Canva screen. You will see a button that says Share. Click on it. A large box will pop up. Near the bottom, you'll see a button that says Download. Click on that. Canva will ask you for the file type. That's just asking what type and kind of file you want it in. If your design is mostly pictures and text, choose PNG or JPG. If you used magic animation or created a video, choose MP4 video. Once you've chosen your file type, click the purple Download button. Your computer will then save the file and you can open it, print it, or share it with a family and friends. So, you see, artificial intelligence is just another way of saying helpful tools. It's not about being a computer whiz. It's about having fun and letting Canva do some of the hard work for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.